Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use Apple Intelligence on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open Settings, and in Settings, you will find the option of Apple Intelligence and Siri. Just tap on it, then enable the toggle for Apple Intelligence. And by doing that, you will enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. Now, if you press and hold the side button on your iPhone, you will enable Apple Intelligence. Now, as you can see, the option of Apple Intelligence using the side button is not working right now. Now, to enable it, just tap on Talk and type to Siri. And from here, you will find the option of press side button for Siri. And by doing that, you will enable Apple Intelligence on the side button. Also, you can enable Apple Intelligence by tapping on Hey Siri. Now, to set up the voice control for Apple Intelligence, just tap on Continue. Now, just say the following sentences. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Then tap on Done. And by doing that, you will enable Apple Intelligence using your voice. Like, Hey Siri, what's the weather in Chicago? And as you can see, it has given us the answer to the question. And basically, Apple Intelligence is your digital AI assistant from Apple. And if you want Apple Intelligence to answer you using its voice, just go back, then tap on Siri Responses. And from here, just select Prefer Silent. Now just wait for a few seconds, then enable Prefer Spoken Responses. Also, after you enable Prefer Spoken Responses, then swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. And from here, just increase the volume of your iPhone. And after doing that, Apple Intelligence will respond using its voice. Like, Hey Siri, what is the tallest building in the world?
Here's an answer from wikipedia.org.
Just like that. And finally, you have the option to enable ChatGPT in Apple Intelligence. For that, just go back, and in the main Apple Intelligence settings, you will find the option of ChatGPT. Just tap on it, then tap on Setup, tap on Next, and tap on Enable ChatGPT. Now, after you enable the toggle for Use ChatGPT, you will be able to use ChatGPT in Apple Intelligence, like Hey Siri, what is the difference between the tallest building in the world and the shortest building in the world?
Do you want me to use ChatGPT to answer that?
And from here, you can tap on Use ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will answer your question.
The tallest building in the world is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai at about 828 meters. There is no officially recognized shortest building, but many small structures, like single-room sheds or kiosks, can be less than 3 meters tall. The difference is roughly over 825 meters.
Just like that. And this is how you can use Apple Intelligence on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.